Have you ever wanted to dive into the world of crypto trading but didn't know where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the Binance Cryptocurrency Cash in Course 2024, your gateway to the dynamic world of crypto trading. Step 1. Begin your journey by registering on our Jot form. Here, you'll select the Binance Course option and provide the necessary details. Step 2. It's time to make your initial deposit. Choose from our available options: 120, 220, 320, 420, 520, or 1020 USDT, or equivalent in PKR. Consider this as your first investment into the world of crypto trading. Upon completion of your deposit, an exclusive link to our private paid community group will land in your inbox. This community, tailored specifically to your batch based on your deposit date and registration details, will be your home base for all things crypto. Keep in mind, there is a one-time registration fee of 20 USDT, but here's the best part: it's fully refundable. Yes, you heard that right. If you decide that crypto trading isn't your cup of tea, we'll refund your registration fee, no questions asked. And about refunds, we offer a unique refund policy. If you don't make 20% of your equity within the first month, we will refund your registration fee. That's our promise to you. Congratulations! You've taken the